Hi, I'm Brad Church, the Chief Executive of Goodman Private Wealth. Well, today we've had the pleasure of having Trudy McDonald facilitate our annual strategic planning day with the whole team. Coming into today, I'd have to say it's been one of, if not our best years ever. And so when I was thinking about the piece of work that we were asking Trudy to do, I already felt that we were doing good things. We had a good team achieving good outcomes. But what I was asking of Trudy was to work with my team to identify what it means to be great. Trudy has facilitated our best strategic planning day, possibly ever, where we have clarified what it means to be great, where we have broken that down into priorities and projects, and now we have something that the team and I can take away and really start to implement. Great job, Trudy.